What's up, all my Ewoks, Tribbles, Droids, and Wookiees? It's Anna, also known as that Star Wars girl, and today I woke up to some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful news. I would like to thank all of the 168 people that tagged me in this on Twitter because, oh my lordy, I am very happy today, and I decided I haven't watched it yet. I just saw like the screenshots and like some of the images, but Henry Cavill, as you all know, every time I see this beautiful man, my uterus explodes. But he did a video where he is building a PC. So I'm gonna do a reaction to the video of him building the PC. So I'm sure my uterus is going to explode many, many times throughout this video. So hold your horses if you do not want to see me swooning over Superman. He is Superman. I don't understand why this concept is lost on people that I, a woman, would be swooning over Superman. But, you know, that happens. That's a thing. So if you don't want to see that, this video is probably not for you. But if you do, and you get a crack out of me losing my mind, then, you know, just tighten your seatbelts because I'm about to watch this, and I'm so excited. Alright everyone, so I have Henry's video right here. I am super excited to watch it. Now I know he's building a PC. Now if you're all familiar with my channel, then you know how my run-ins with PCs have been and technology. If you're new here, then welcome. You are not aware that I am technologically challenged and I break almost everything I touch. My old PC actually caught on fire. I went out to run errands and I came home and I was like, something smells like smoke, and then I went and I saw that it was some kind of box that's in my computer that caught on fire, and then I live streamed trying to say, oh my god, what the hell is going on? How do I fix it? And everyone was screaming at me. They're like, don't touch it! I was like, what do you mean don't touch it? And they're like, it's a black box of death that'll electrocute you and you'll die! And, yeah, but everyone was nice enough to help me figure out how to fix it. I couldn't do it on my own. Looking at this, that he's gonna build a computer on his own, you know what? If anyone can do that, I am immediately impressed. But, I'm thoroughly enjoyed. I know that I needed a video of Superman building a computer. But I'm happy that it exists. So, let's watch it. I'm already getting all, you know, tongue-tied and whatnot, but let's watch this. I am so ready for this.
Nobody but you.
Oh my god, why is this music perfect? Alright, let's flip through the manual. That's nice. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. He's got a GoPro. Alright, I have no idea what this thingy-majigger is. What is that thingy? What is this? Nope. Those little gold pins are sensitive. Gotta make sure they fit right. You gotta be gentle. Ooh. Henry Cavill showing us how he can be gentle. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I just realized something with that zoom. I have hairier hands and fingers than Henry Cavill. Ah! I'm Portuguese though. I am Portuguese. Oh my god, why is this so hot? Oh my goodness. Oh, his thumbs do the curl thing. My thumbs don't do the curl things. What is that method? That thing looks like it should go in a car, not a computer. What the hell is... Oh, look at his... Oh my god, his arm is bigger than my head. That's Superman. Why am I surprised? Oh, look at those veins. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh! His butt! Look! You can see his butt! Oh! That's Great Britain's ass right there. Oh my goodness. Is this dog gonna, like, pop up in the window? That would be so cute if his dog popped up in the window. He has the, like, biggest, fluffiest puppy named Cal. Kind of like Kal-El. Oh, that would be so cute. Oh, my God. That's a black box of death! That's a black box of death that got caught on fire in my computer! Oh, my goodness. He touched it and didn't die. He is Superman. my goodness. I don't know how men put these things together. You guys have such ginormous hands, and those are... Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow. Why do... It looks like nothing has changed. That looks like a bunch of fans. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Wow. See, he doesn't even have room to put any of that in. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's all those wire thingies. He looks like he's contemplating what to do. Totally ran out of hard drive space. Not really surprised considering this took hours. Yeah, it looks like it took all day. The light went away. And he finally shut his curtains. See, look, his hands have no room to move around in that. I don't understand how men, like, put that stuff together, or how you guys text. Your fingers are always so fat. Let's see. Oh, lights up! Oh, that's cool! Oh, like, the number was upside down. Did you guys see that? The 2 was upside down. Oh, his computer's starting! Hold up! What the feck was that? I don't know. I didn't see. Ah! Okay, what is it? Yeah, that number is upside down. Yay! Hey! I noticed that. That was like the first thing I noticed, because it was a big number. Day 1 later. Had some gaming to do. Yeah, his arm is definitely bigger than my head. See, his hand has no space to move around in there. I don't get it. Okay, he's wiping. That was the sensitive thing that he said in the beginning. I still have no idea what this thingy-majigger is. So he's wiping it off. Isn't it bad to get, like, liquid on the inside of your computer? I feel like that's dangerous. Okay, let's see. Is that lotion or glue? Why is he putting glue in there? Isn't that dangerous? Okay, so that was that thing that had the 2 upside down. It looks like a mirror, but, alright, let's see. Let's see what happens. Did it work? Did it work? Did he fix it? Yay! It's right side up! And it's Superman colors! How cool! Good for you, Superman. I'm proud of you. CPU, GPU, 38 and 27. There you go. There you go. I don't know if those are good numbers, but good for him. The end. Or more realistically, just the beginning. We got it together. Well, that was something else. Well, that was a real treat. I didn't wake up in the morning today that I was going to be blessed by the ether that Superman was going to be building a PC. That was thoroughly impressive. Anytime I can see, you know, people building things that I can't do. Like, I can put up these shelves and pin action figures to my wall, but building a computer, that is very impressive, especially coming from Superman. He really can do anything, and that was a very visually stimulating and pleasing video. So thank you to Superman for making that for us. There's a lot of, you know, bad things going on in the world, and having something that wonderful, you know, it makes me smile. It makes the sun shine brighter, and I'm very happy it exists. I really hope, because Henry Cavill is a gamer, that he jumps on this bandwagon and starts posting more videos, or like doing gaming streams. I would love to finally find out if he is Horde or Alliance. I'm a huge WoW fan, and every single time he's in an interview and they bring up WoW, they always like, oh yeah, you almost missed out being Superman because you were playing WoW. And he's like, well, I was playing it and I missed the phone call, which will happen when you're playing a video game and you get sucked in. And of course, they had the perfect opportunity to say, oh, Horde or Alliance, and they never follow up because none of these interviewers know anything about gaming. They just know that he plays WoW, and I'm like, ugh, missed opportunity, and it bothers me to my very core. I would love to find out what team Henry Cavill is on. So maybe we'll find out, but I don't know. But oh my goodness. Oh, this was a great video, and I'm so happy it exists. I hope you guys all got a kick out of my reaction to it. My uterus has thoroughly exploded multiple times during this. And I need some water. So everyone, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, morning, afternoon, evening, nighttime, wherever you are in the world. And until next time, may the force be with you, because we are really, really, really gonna need it. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And if you're new here, please take a minute to subscribe, hit the like, share the video, ring the bell for notifications. That way you don't miss any of my future streams or upcoming videos. Also, if you want to support the channel, go check out my Etsy store. The link is in the description below if you would like to continue to support me and my artwork. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great rest of your day.